Students, welcome in online class 8. Today we discuss question answer from chapter 4 metals and non-metal. Exercise A. Tick the correct option. Which of the following is not malleable and ductile? Answer is C. Sodium. Second, which of the following is a good conductor of electric current? Answer is B. Graphite. Third, which of the following is used in the preparation of bulletproof alloy steel? Answer is zirconium. Fourth, which of the following is a liquid at room temperature? Answer is C. Bromine. 5. Which of the following is corrosion resistance? Answer is D. Aluminium. Which of the following is mixed with iron to make it rust proof? Answer is all of them. In a displacement reaction, which of the following can displace zinc from a solution of zinc sulfate? Answer is B. Copper. D. Metal that reacts vigorously with oxygen is or? Answer is D. Sodium. Ninth, the shiny foil used to decorate sweets is made up of silver. B. Fill in the blanks. Metal conduct dash and dash heat and electricity. Second, dash may occur as solid, liquid or gas. Answer is non-metal. 3. Graphite is a dash conductor of electricity. Answer is good. 4. Dash metal is used in dry cell. Answer is non. 5th, gold is found in the earth crust dash earth dash in free state. Answer is crust. D. Write T for true and F for false. First, iron and steel are ferrous metals. Answer is true. Second, noble metals are good conductor of electricity. Answer is true. Third, the metallic oxide are acidic in nature. Answer is false. Fourth, aluminium gets corroded on coming in contact with moist air. Answer is true. Brass is an alloy of copper and tin. False. Match the following columns. Magnesium can be cut by a knife. Potassium used in fireworks. Potassium used in fireworks. Gold occurs in free state. Zinc used to galvanize iron. Aluminium used to wrap food. Iron occur in combined form. Mercury used in thermometers. Answer the following question. First one is the state the physical properties of metals. Answer. Physical properties of metal are luster. Metal generally possesses luster. It is the property of metal by virtue of which that shine is generally referred to as metallic luster. Second, melting point and boiling point. Generally, metals have high melting point and boiling point. Third, solid and liquid state. Except mercury, all metals are found in solid state at room temperature. Color. Generally, metals are green color, but gold is yellow, copper is red, brass and iron, silver, magnesium and aluminium are white in color. Sonorous. Generally, metals are sonorous, so they are used to make bells, to make sound instrument like sitar and guitar. Metallic wires are used. 6. Ductility. The property of a solid to be drawn into thin wire is called ductility. Silver and copper and gold are very ductile metal. Next, what are noble metals? Why are they used in ornaments? Silver and golds are present at the bottom of the reactivity series of metals. They are non-reactive metals and do not react with water, acid and alkalines. Therefore, they occur in a free state in nature. They are known as noble metals. Noble metals are mainly used to make ornaments as they are non-reactive. The ornament made from them do not lose their shine. Third, list any three uses of each of metals and non-metals. Answer: uses of metal. Write down only three uses of metal. Copper and aluminum metals are used in making of electric wire as they have very low electrical resistance and good electric conductivity. Second, iron is used as a catalyst in the preparation of ammonia gas by Haber's process. Zinc is used for galvanizing iron to protect it from rusting. Uses of non-metals. Liquid hydrogen is used as rocket fuel. Carbon is the form of graphite is used for making the electric rods of electrolytic cells and dry cell. Nitrogen is used in the manufacturing of ammonia, नाइट्रिक एसिड एंड फर्टिलाइज़र. बच्चों यहाँ पे आप लोगों को ढेर सारे यूजेस हैं, पर आप जो याद कर पाओ इसमें से 3 आप लिख सकते हो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट आर मेटलॉइड्स? एक्सप्लेन विद एग्जांपल्स. Metalloids. There are some elements which exhibits the mixed properties of metal and non-metals. Such metals are called submetals. Boron, arsenic, antimony, germanium, etc. are submetals. Generally, there are 4 electrons in the valence shell of the atoms of submetals. Next question, write a short note on the purity of gold. Answer: gold as an inactive metal, its luster lasts long and it's used to make jewelry. Pure gold is soft to make it a little harder. Metals like copper, silver and brass are mixed in it in a certain ratio. The purity of gold is measured in carat. 24 carat gold is considered 100% gold. 22 carat gold has 92% pure gold and 8% impurities. In the 18 karat gold, 75% pure gold and 25% impurities are mixed. Define the following term. Corrosion. The layer by layer decay of metal is called corrosion. So oxidation of metals under normal atmospheric conditions is called corrosion. Second, ductility. The properties of a metal to be drawn into thin wire is called ductility. Silver, copper, extra. Electroplating. Irons and steels are made corrosion free by coating them with a layer of tin or chromium metals. Through electroplating, tin and chromium do not coat. Malleability. Metals can be hammered or beaten into thin sheets without breaking. This properties of metal is called malleability. For example, gold, silver, copper are malleable in nature. Thank you, student. We discuss new chapter in our next video. Have a nice day.